Well, all you viewers of the Name Leader, how we doing today? Man, we kind of have a treat for you today. Ever since I've been doing stuff on my channel and getting affordable everyday carry blades brought to it, you guys have been talking about Kubey. Kubey. Go get a Kubey. Oh my god, get a Kubey. Wow, you ain't lived till you had a Kubey. Kubey, 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 Kubey. Okay, it's here. We got the Kubey KB237 on the channel. Now, before we bring the blade on screen, inside just basically came, I guess that's your certificate of authenticity for purchasing the blade. Okay. I will be honest, I like the blade, but after doing my background research and everything on it, I just have a couple extra questions. Now, there she is in all of her glory. The black on the OD green, I think, is timeless. I think it's beautiful, and it actually is one of my favorite color combos to have for a blade. Yeah, so when I was doing the homework on it, I had some problems. So the only stats for the blade I could get are seriously between KubeyKnife.com and Amazon and piecing them together. Okay, so here we go. It's got an overall length of 8.27 inches. The blade is 3.6. And closed, it's about a 4.67. It has an okay weight to it of 4.72 ounces. As you can see, it is done in the Tonto style. Now, it has a black, and according to Kubey, it's a black titanium coating. On Amazon, it just says black coating. It does have the plain edge. I cannot tell you what grind it is because I can't find it. Now, they say it's D2 steel. Okay? And that's great. There's the D2 right there. But I'll get to that in a moment. All right? It's got a Rockwell rating of basically 59 to 61. OD green, G10 scales. Now, on Amazon, it says they're glass reinforced nylon. On Kubey, it says G10. I'll let you make your own determination. We do have a black coated stainless steel frame. It does have a liner lock, as you can see. Now, it is a flipper open, and they say there is ceramic ball bearings in there. It does open up seriously buttery smooth. And it has a one-position pocket clip, right-hand carry, very deep carry in your pocket. Now, here's my suspicion about the D2 steel. A long while ago, I brought the Ifengro blades to my channel, that Ifengro 350 or 451, whatever. Take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for every single affordable everyday carry blade I've ever brought to the channel. You're going to find it sitting in there. That one was a low price point with D2 steel. This says it's made in China, which just makes me go, is it really D2 steel? I don't want to go down that road again. I don't want to have all those fits and fights and whatever. So if you believe it's D2 like it's printed, okay, good. I'm not really going to go down that road again. Now, let's do some fun cut tests like we always do. I'm going to do the cut test before I go over the price points and all that fun stuff. Now, if you're brand new to the channel, we usually only do three, and they're very, very simple. First one up, heavy-duty stock paper. Man, it just burns right through it. Okay, I'll take that. Look at that little curly Q right there. Now, the reason I go for that, guys, is, like I've said in lots of videos before, basically anybody can take a blade and go, sharp! You know? But I've always been taught, if you take it, you keep the same angle, and you just run it very gingerly over the top. Oops, see, I messed up a little. But look at that beginning. That paper should curl back in on itself like that, and that tells you your blade is pretty damn sharp. Alright, next up, paracord. Alright, simple pull test. Take a little bit to get through there.
What about your good old friend, Mr. Ratchet Strap?
Alright, slice test. And as you heard the monkey, we will get him in just a moment. No, not the monkey. As he said, our good old friend, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Don't you love distance learning when you have the peanut gallery in the background? Don't you? Right through, no problem. As I always do, guys, pull it up close. I do see some paper shavings on there, but nothing else really, to be honest. Yeah, nothing else really. Okay, now I'm filming this video on December 16th, 2020. And I looked out on the usual three areas: Amazon, KubeyKnife.com, and Blade HQ. Now here's the only one that made me go, whoa, okay, is this a fly-by-night company? What's going on? Can't find Kubeys on Blade HQ. At least according to the search I did today for Kubey knives, they're not there. On Amazon, it's $38.99, and on Kubey Knife, it's $38.99. It has not been reviewed on Kubey Knife that I can find. And on Amazon, this one has 3 reviews for a 4.6 out of 5-star rating. I like it. I seriously like it. I have my questions about the steel, but it has yet to fail me since I've been carrying it. It's been featured in some of my everyday carry videos, and yes, I'm finally getting around to reviewing it. Now, here's the important part of the video. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. Do you think she's a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? Like I said, I like it, but I'd like to know your thoughts. Now for the other fun parts of the video. For you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know you have lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you chose my channel. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do, and you never know what might change the course of the history of this channel. After you've done all that fun stuff, take a look right down there in that corner. Going to be a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and beat up that subscribe button, kill its little brother, that bell icon. Why? It is a great question. That's going to enable YouTube to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we all know and love out there on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Kubey Kilo Bravo 237. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope all of you are being safe. I hope all of you are having an enjoyable day, and we'll see you in the next video.